In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Twilio account. Whether you're looking to clean up your digital footprint, or you've simply decided that Twilio no longer fits your needs, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive into it. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Twilio account. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in console.twilio.com. This link will take you directly to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your device handy to approve the login request. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the familiar Twilio dashboard. Now, let's concentrate on the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This menu is your go-to navigation tool in Twilio, and from here, you want to find the Admin section. Hover or click on it to reveal further options. Under Admin, select Account Management. We're looking to get to General Settings, so click on that next. If you want a direct route, twilio.com/console account settings will take you straight to your destination. As you enter the General Settings page, it's a good time to review your account details, just to be sure there's nothing you need to back up or save before you delete the account. Once you're ready to proceed, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the option Close Account as a red button. Clicking the Close Account button will prompt a confirmation dialog. Twilio will ask if you're sure that you want to close your account. This is the last step, so it's crucial to ensure that you really wish to proceed. Closing your account will result in the permanent loss of your projects, data, and any remaining balance in your account, so double-check that this action aligns with your intentions. If you're sure about moving forward, confirm the account closure. Twilio might ask for some feedback or reasons for cancellation. Feel free to share your thoughts or skip this step if you prefer. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for closure. Keep in mind that depending on Twilio's policies and any open transactions, there might be a short period before your account is fully decommissioned. And there you have it. Your Twilio account is now on its way to being deleted. If you ever need to use Twilio again, you can always register for a new account and start fresh. Thanks for joining me in today's video, and I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Until next time.